Today we're diving deep into the world of online gaming with our exclusive review of Just Play. We're uncovering the truth behind the hype and putting their cash out process to the test. Let's get into it. Step 1. Introduce Just Play. So what is Just Play? It's a mobile app that promises you can earn real cash by playing games. Sounds exciting, right? But is it too good to be true? Step 2. The hype. Just Play has been making waves with flashy ads and testimonials. They claim you can win big without any investment. But how does it actually work? Step 3. How it works. Here's a quick rundown. You download the app, complete simple tasks and games, and supposedly earn points that can be converted into cash. Sounds straightforward, but let's break it down. Step 4. Review of the app. We tested the app for a week. The games are fun, but the real question is, do you really earn money? We'll show you our experience with earning points and whether it matched up with their claims. Step 5. The cash out process. Now for the big moment, cashing out. We requested a payout to see if Just Play lives up to its promises. Here's what happened. Step 6. Conclusion. After testing the app, our verdict is mixed. While it's entertaining, the cash out process was not as smooth as advertised. There were delays and some issues that we didn't expect. Step 7. Final thoughts. So, is Just Play worth your time? If you enjoy playing games and don't mind a bit of uncertainty with cash outs, it might be worth a try. But if you're looking for guaranteed earnings, you might want to look elsewhere. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time.